Good morning, students. This is Harsnath Shukla, and today we are going to discuss exercise 4.1. Chapter is quadratic equation. So I hope the first question you all have to done. The check whether the following are the quadratic equation, because this is easy and you just represent in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So we starting from the question number second. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. So read out the question. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square and the length of the plot is in meter is 1 more than the twice of its breadth. So we need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So only we have to represent this particular question in the form of quadratic equation, and afterwards in second topic we just see the solution. So first of all, let breadth is x meter. Let breadth of the plot is x meter. Then according to question, length is nothing but length L is nothing but 2 times x plus 1 more than twice of its breadth. So according to question, area is length into breadth. This is nothing but 528 meters square. So length is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x, and this is 528. So 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0, and this is the you can say the quadratic equation represent this particular question. Okay, now we shall discuss the second one. The product of two consecutive numbers, see here, the product of two consecutive numbers, positive integers, is 306. We need to find the integers. So let us consider two consecutive integers are are x and x plus 1. So according to question, what we have, x into x plus 1, that is product of these two consecutive integers, is nothing but 306. So x square plus x is equal to 306. So we can write x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation for question number second. So in this manner we can do all other questions. So see next one. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. So for this question, so let Rohan's present age is x and that of his mother is now x plus 26. So after 3 years, Rohan's age is x plus 3 and that of his mother age is x plus 26 plus 3, and this is x plus 29. Now according to question, the product of their ages after 3 years is 360. So according to question, x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 29, and this is nothing but what, 360. So we multiply it, we get the quadratic equation, and for that particular question, I hope you multiply it and get the quadratic equation of this particular question. Now next one, A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been x km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more than to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So for that particular question, we suppose the speed of train is x kilometer per hour. So according to question, the distance is 480 kilometer. So time taken by the speed x kilometer per hour t1 is 480 upon x. This is the time taken by the train by covering that particular distance with the speed x kilometer per hour. Now the speed is less, then time would be more. So let t2 be the time when speed is 8 km less. So t2 is nothing but for the same distance 480 upon x minus 8. So according to question, we can have the difference of the time is 3 hours, because the train would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So according to question, we have t2 minus t1 is nothing but 3 hours. So t2 is 480 upon x minus 8 minus t1 is 480 upon x, and this is nothing but 3. Okay, so 480 would have to taken common. We have 480 common, then we have x minus 8 minus 1 upon x, and this is nothing but 3. So we can write it as 480 within bracket x minus 8 and x is LCM, so there is x minus of x plus 8, and this equal to 3. So 3, so 16, 160. So x cancelled out, x minus 8, okay, that side is equal to 160 into 8. So x square minus 8x is equal to 1280. So x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation for question number 4. So in this method we can complete our exercise 4.1. So next day, tomorrow, we shall discuss the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method, and what will be the solution we can see. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you.